So we are gonna land in Dallas, and also so it's in Texas, and also you might know this song from a particular movie. Stars.
Stars at night are big and bright.
Stars are at night are big and bright. Deep in the heart of Texas. I know that song.
Qatar Airways, and many, many more. Gulf will be coming down the aisle now with some applications to test, and we'll also have some available during the planning process. The quickest way to apply is
there. So you'll start with your aisle.
It's just like the Men's Warehouse, advertisement. Everyone will be looking at the ride.
I don't know why I do this. I am in I Love Mac and Cheese Palm Springs, where you can get mac and cheese 24 hours a day and subscribe. Hello everybody. I am with a blue shiny Stingray Corvette. You wanna see it? That's a bigger question. Oh, now you can see it. And it would probably change my life if I got this Corvette, Stingray Corvette. Like and subscribe so I can get this beautiful Corvette. It would help me out a lot too. Okay, everybody, we are in the maze of death. I feel like I'm going circles. So, I so feel like I'm going in circles, guys. Now I need another entrance. Stop it. I need just another entrance. If you subscribe, I'll find that entrance very quickly. What if you don't? You die. I'm at the center. I must make a circle. A circle of subscribes. I'm still in the circle. I'm never coming out. I don't think I'm coming out. I don't think so. Dinosaurs are here. Dinosaurs are everywhere. Can we come in?
Hold on a second.
Tickets required. I hate this delay. Woo! Okay. Dinosaurs are here. Dinosaurs are there. Baby Brachiosaurus, ginormous T-Rexes, maybe the little Triceratops, T-Rex, Raptor, whatever that thing is, Turtle, whatever that Raptor, Pachycephalosaurus, whatever that ginormous T-Rex, which will probably eat us. What is going on? I think those two dinosaurs are bonding, and that's a ginormous T-Rex, and whatever that T-Rex is doing, I do not want to know. That's a love T-Rex, and I'm just sitting here. I am the king of dinosaurs! I am a little king of the dinosaurs. Okay, wow. I think that one ate its babies, but it's baby skin, but that's just weird and all, but okay. I don't really want to know. Okay, wow, this is just fake Ed. Who cares about you, Ed? Guys, come on! Come on! I think we're in a dinosaur and it looks very weird. As you can see, I'm probably walking in an organ of it. Okay, now this is just weird. weird. I'm just feeling dino muscles. I'm just feeling weird right now. Oh my god. I'm at the top. Okay. We're at the top.
Let's go!
Let's go. Oh my god. I'm actually on a dinosaur. See guys? I'm on a dinosaur. I'm actually on a dinosaur. We're at the Cabazon Dino theme park. And we are going to start this in 3, 2, 1, 0. Then he press.
Here it goes.
What's it made into? Nobody knows. It's getting grinded.
What is in there?
What is it? The penny. It's a brontosaurus! Yeah, I got a brontosaurus! Hello everybody, it has been such a great experience with you. Please subscribe, it would help me out a lot, and peace on guys.